What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. So 2 days, 2 videos, I'm on a roll. It feels good to be back. Today I'm going on the Parkway with my friend AM Juice with the M4 CSL. David is a super cool guy and he has amazing cars. I know that the last video I made with him went crazy. It's my best video on YouTube, so let's run that back. I want to do it again. Also, if you notice, I'm wearing merch of my own. So Mountain Boys merch. I don't plan on dropping anything yet. I'm still working on prototypes and getting things right quality wise and what I want, but the designs are sick. Let me show you. You got the Mountain Boys, but my little magic on the back is what's cool. So there's a couple things about this logo. Since I do live in the mountains and we have a lot of bears, and Smokey the Bear is a big figure where I live, funny enough. I did a spin-off of you, dude. It's Smokey the Bear. He's holding a wrench. He's got racing flags behind him. His hat says Mountain Boys. This says only you can prevent oil leaks. So only you can prevent oil leaks. The cool thing about these hoodies is I'm gonna do one in all the colorways that came on the original F80s. So like Yas Marina Blue, Secure Orange, Alpine White, Austin Yellow, etc. And some individual colors. Or maybe you can request for me which color you want and I'll just get that and do that. All right, then we got the other Mountain Boys. And sorry for the lint, these just came out of the box. This is a t-shirt, it just has the logo written here. This was gonna be like a prototype for a fall drop. Mine and John's car, Pumpkins, it's fall on the viaduct in the Blue Ridge Mountains. I think that these are sick. If you're looking at this and you think that the quality's not that good, these are prototypes, and this is like me experimenting with what I want to do with designing merchandise for the channel. Obviously my channel's not at a place where I feel like I could make money doing this. It would be more like just for the people that I know, watch and support. It would be something if you wanted we could do. So I plan on getting just better quality and making cooler stuff. Definitely mountain themed. If you don't live in the mountains and you don't want to be a mountain boy, then f you. I've been testing the Nikon on the new mount with the big lens on it, and I've been driving for like 25 minutes, got up to like 70 miles an hour, and it's still there. So I guess I feel a little bit better. I know I did this already with John, but it was still scary, and I never got it right, and it even tilted over at one point. I didn't know if I wanted to use this thing again. I got what I needed, but now there's an M4 CSL coming, so So I finally got here. I actually passed him and I had to do a U-turn in the middle of the road. But guys, once again, the CSL. Now I don't know if David knows this or not, but the last video I did with his CSL is the best YouTube video I've ever done.
Oh shoot, I didn't know that we got views like that.
8,000. On YouTube, that's a little bit special for me because I ain't been doing it long. But yeah, so we got David AM Juice in the CSL. He's got to change his name at some point. And then we have
Joey Mance.
He's got his E92. Is this Alpine or Mineral?
Alpine.
Nice.
It's Alpine and Yas, that's it. That's all you need.
Yeah, I know, I'm the sore thumb, huh? What's the plan now, boys?
Eat or something, or yeah, I don't care. It's whatever you guys want to do.
We got a lot of good content. So my YouTube, they saw me do this the first time that I did it, and it was with my car and my buddy's Azerite Black Compact M4, and like it was good, but like I knew if I got to do it again, it would be better. The thing about it is, it's so sketchy to put my camera up there. The whole time I'm still shaking. I'm like, I just don't want to see it fly off.
Not only for the camera, for the
car.
The car too.
Yeah.
Like, I know how you feel.
Yeah, it's more for my car.
I mean, it's on there pretty good, but
oh, it's on there, but
Yeah.
you just don't know. So
especially in the it's raining a little bit.
Yeah.
It's a little moist out here.
So what I did was I put my Nikon, that's like a cheaper camera. I put it on there and I drove all the way up here with it, and I drove hard.
Last time?
No,
to
today.
test it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it did good, so I was
Nice.
like, you know what, let's just do it.
Trust that. You can do it.
I'm gonna follow you guys now.
Okay, we'll go up and matter of fact, Joe, you go first. Trevor, you go behind him, and I'll go behind him.
That's fine.
Which one we just came from?
We got a spot that's past the right where we got on.
Yeah.
We're just gonna go right past there. There's a good spot right
I'm
up
down
there.
for whatever, man.
Awesome.
Yep.
See you soon.
Yep. So we're trying to find a good place to get some pictures of the cars, but it's just so crowded up here, guys. Like, people are all over the parkway right now. It's not even really a good day, but it's beautiful for doing what we're doing. If you really want to get good shots in the parkway, you gotta show up early in the morning. Early in the morning. You really just can't beat that view. Sorry, David. I'm gonna get out of your way, I swear.
There'll be more shots, don't worry.
Dude, the ass end of these cars is one of my favorites by far.
Yep.
My goal is probably around next year to have this paid off and buy one of these and have them both.
Yeah, man, that's the move. You know, I'm on both of the pages.
Yeah.
Both of them, so
Yeah.
everybody's back and forth. You know,
I think they're both good at what they do.
the white ones are.
The white one, I like the white one.
I like the
So
white ones once in a while. Yo, look at that. I think we need to trade off for this spot here.
Well, I love this I'm glad it's not
I know.
I thought it was gonna rain a little harder.
It stopped.
I mean, we got a little bit of rain, but that goes with up here with the clouds, you know.
What's funny is like the rain went away right as we got to the viaduct. It just was like sprinkling. I was like, oh yeah, because it was kind of raining hard there for a second.
Of course, right when you were about to put the camera.
I know, right? I mean, oh, that's a good shot right there. What the? Hey, they didn't know that you just got a brand new fire extinguisher in your car. We don't need
I'm
them.
here for them if they need it.
Why does the guy with the CSL get hit so much quicker than the guy with just a regular F80? I got a bone to pick.
I ordered mine sooner.
Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, you probably did. I can't wait to get mine. I don't even care about fires. It just looks
really
cool.
a cool addition, to be honest.
It is. It looks cool. So I am freaking stoked about getting mine. His CSL lights, well, they didn't come off Alibaba. They came from BMW.
They didn't come off Alibaba.
They didn't come from Alibaba, baby.
Joey will tell you, I've been doing the shoe thing for a hot minute.
The shoe thing's been a while.
They didn't come off Alibaba
Been
either.
a while too. The whip game's
Oh
been a
God,
while.
before Instagram, imagine I like documented all the old whips.
Oh.
Yeah. You want to hear something funny? Back whenever I was just an F30 328 guy, and he had the Yosh Marina Blue F80.
Wanted that car.
I followed him for like 6 years, and I used to like send
Before
pictures of that shit to my
I
friends.
had a black with black HRE E55.
Yeah.
I had an E60 BMW M5 manual, black on black with black HREs 21s. I had that.
Oh yeah, my brother had an E60
I
M5.
also had a C63 sedan.
I remember those.
W204 sedan.
Mhm.
Beautiful car, sounded mean
Wayne
as hell.
still has those wheels.
I had it was that Arctic White.
Yeah.
And I had HRE multi-spoke wheels with Arctic White lip and
Yeah.
black centers. Fucking crazy.
Do you remember that C63? Well, of course you remember, it was yours, but it was like the matte gray with the yellow.
I wish I could have.
I found that same exact spec for sale like
The edition one.
6 months ago for like 58,000. I was like,
That's crazy.
It's a beautiful car.
I was like, dude, should I trade the F80? But I don't know.
I love the F80. But
Me too.
Boy, I tell you that C63 was just so beautiful.
Yeah.
How many miles did you put on that 60?
Bought it like sight unseen, like he flew
Yeah.
from Florida.
I remember when you got yours.
He said, "My buddy of mine's gonna fly me up if I love the car. Let's go to the bank. I'll write you. I'll get you the funds from
Yeah.
my bank account at the local bank." And he said, "I'll drive the car home." He took the car home.
I remember whenever you got your AMG, the gray one, you got it from Hendrick, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I was like, I didn't even know he was from Hickory. I'm like following this guy because of his F80.
I'm
And I'm
right
like,
down the road.
and I'm like, whoa, Hendrick, North Lake, what the hell? And then I look at his picture, it says Hickory, North Carolina. I'm like,
Sick.
we got Grandpappy, Pappy,
Yeah.
and Junior.
True.
We got all three of the Van Winkles.
True story.
As we get older, we get a little bit slower.
They're under sleeping under that tree.
Yo, seriously.
Last clip for the YouTube. It was nice to meet you, Joey.
Nice to meet you too.
Yep. And then
See you
David. Okay.
Brother, I'll see you soon, Trav.
Whenever he becomes your friend, you don't get the fist bump anymore. You got to get the actual
No,
handshake.
I do both. You know, whenever everybody.
I'm always like a fist bump guy because I'm like
It's different now. Yeah.
yeah.
Fist bump is quick too and effective.
Yeah, it is effective. But yeah, I've had a great time with you guys today, and
Great
I will
A lot of fun.
get to working on some pictures and videos. So
Can't wait.
yep. Hey, peace out, guys.
See you, brother. Drive safe.
I'm gonna take it easy.
Me too.
Unless I get some open road, because you kind of have to take it easy up here. All right, everybody, I'm on the way home. I love to come to the Parkway, and doing it with friends is even more fun, and especially whenever you get to have 3 generations of M cars, really 3 generations of M3s, because the M4, you know. But anyways, shout out to you, David, for the invite and letting me, come through and be an annoying YouTuber. Shout out to Joey for coming. Your E92, man, it sounds good, it looks good. Can't wait to see what you do with that thing. Yeah, but guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.